Keys not responding, no typing input, or the keyboard not showing up at all can interrupt everything you're doing. With the Logitech K470, this usually comes down to connection, battery, or pairing issues rather than a hardware fault. You might see the keyboard power on, but your device doesn't detect it, or it connects but stops responding after a while. Sometimes the receiver isn't recognized, or the keyboard isn't paired to the correct channel. There are also cases where low battery affects performance without completely turning it off. Instead of assuming the keyboard is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal typing. 1. Properly check and replace the batteries with fresh ones. 2. Turn the keyboard off and back on to refresh it. 3. Reinsert the USB receiver into a different port. 4. Press the easy switch button to select the correct channel. 5. Repair the keyboard with your device if needed. 6. Restart your computer and test the keyboard again.